Here in Cirligele, we are making the recon of the circuit now with Andrei in the car. Let's go! Let's hope the bumper will disappear. And now we are ascending. We are climbing. This is the road here. We are going up, 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 up. As you can see. Very narrow the street. It's here. The road is very narrow with a lot of corners. A lot of corners again. And again. And we are climbing. From the car, everything looks great. From the bicycle, we will see tomorrow how it goes. Today, rest day. Easy day. Another corner here. Very narrow. Like 90 degrees. Here, another one. On the left side. And now the same, a little bit flat here, another corner, and here is like an S. And another corner on the right with a little bit left and right again, and climbing on the right side of the road, right side, and climbing all the way up, climbing on the left side again. Left to right. The road is very twisty. Some dogs on the road. And here, a very interesting part of the race. Right, I need to assure now because we are not in the race. And now climbing, and it's like a big climb, this one, to Bildari. This is the final part of the TT for Andrei. hill now. Descending a little bit. Another 500 meter, 400 until the finish of the TT. 300 meter, 200. And here is the finish of the TT. And now another 3 kilometers until the